All right, in this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to get your Outlook QR code in 2026. This QR code makes it super easy to sign in on your phone without typing passwords, so let's walk through the process. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com, then log in to your Outlook account. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From that menu, choose My Microsoft Account. Now you'll be taken to the Microsoft Account dashboard. On the left side, find the option called Security and click on Advanced Security Options. This page controls your sign-in and verification methods. Scroll down until you see Additional Security or Ways to Prove Who You Are. Here, look for an option called Microsoft Authenticator or Setup Phone Sign-In. Click on it. A setup window will open, and this is where Outlook generates your QR code. If you don't see it immediately, click Setup or add a new way to sign in. After that, Outlook will display a large QR code on your screen. This QR code is what you scan with the Microsoft Authenticator app. So grab your phone, open the Authenticator app, tap the plus button, choose Add Account, and select Microsoft Personal Account. Point your camera at the QR code, and it will automatically connect your Outlook account to your phone. Once the scan is complete, Outlook will confirm that your device is now linked. From now on, you can sign in using the app without typing a password, and you'll also get safer verification options. If you ever need to generate a new QR code for a new phone or reset, just come back to the same Advanced Security Options page and choose Remove or Set Up Again. Outlook will show a fresh QR code instantly, and that's it. You've successfully found and activated your Outlook QR code for 2026. Easy, secure, and perfect for quick login anywhere. And yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.